Greetings from LiftUp, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll talk about challenges in the transportation industry, and you can add logistics to that as well. And it will not be a super happy video just because the industry is under tremendous pressure and has been so for quite some time now. According to a Levvel survey, speed and delivery time are the two main challenges for about 70% of businesses in this sector. Now, what exactly is affecting your speed and delivery time? Well, think about all the challenges that can come your way when delivering a product from point A to point B. There's traffic, there's maybe accidents, there's weather, poor routing strategies, cost of fuel, let's be honest, unplanned repairs, and also regular maintenance. You also have unavailable drivers from time to time and many more obstacles that can come your way. But did you know that most of those challenges can be remediated with automation and digital technology? Unfortunately, many companies still perceive technological innovation to mean things like high-end robotics and self-driving vehicles and artificial intelligence. But there are in fact many elements in the supply chain that can be modernized without requiring great effort or cost, while still providing your company with a competitive edge. For example, it's a lack of automation that makes weather predictions, traffic predictions, and route planning difficult, which results in inaccurate estimated times of arrival, ETAs, and of course, higher fuel cost. What can automation bring to your company? It's simple. Time. Time. Time is the most precious commodity in the transportation sector. Imagine if a warehouse doesn't prepare for a delivery until they receive a phone call from the driver with the estimated time of arrival. There's little chance that they'll be fully prepared to unload and move the cargo into storage efficiently. This holds up the driver and delays any upcoming shipments that need to be made with the same cargo bay. To solve this problem, we notice that more and more companies are starting to use a cargo tracking system. It's what we call a global navigation satellite system. The system tracks the cargo and nobody has to remember to make a phone call or wait around to receive it, or even wonder when it's going to arrive. The system can accurately predict the estimated time of arrival in the light of traffic and weather conditions, to then send a notification to the warehouse to prepare to unload. Of course, this is just one example of what many transportation companies are starting to adopt. Some benefits of the real-time cargo tracking: it automatically redirects the drivers to safer and faster routes depending on weather conditions, traffic, or obstacles on the way, which saves fuel costs and possibly fleet maintenance costs. It also accurately predicts estimated time of departure and arrival to allow for a coordinated scheduling within the supply chain. And finally, it also enables to identify high and low performance employees, track the performance of warehouse and distribution centers, and identify places of improvement. Now, if you have a company facing one of those challenges, or maybe you have another issue in mind, please let us know in the comments below. We'd like to hear your thoughts and experiences on this. As a side note, in future videos, we might also talk about the issue of fuel theft, which is an issue many companies are facing, but there's actually a quite simple way to solve that through software, so stay tuned for that. And of course, there's also the issue of delivery paperwork and packaging that can be digitalized and made more efficient. With that being said, thank you guys for watching, and we'll talk more in the next LiftUp video. Have a nice weekend. Bye.